Hi everyone, it's Pip here from queenpipcards.com. Thanks for joining me today. Today I have a really quick video talking about the new Christmas tree dies, which are part of the Whimsy and Wonder Christmas suite out of the July to December mini catalogue. And I love this suite. It's going to be part of my Christmas retreat. But I wanted to share with you today just a little quick tip on how to use some of the fab elements in this die set. So I'm going to put my hands on the main screen and then I can show you what I mean. Okay, so I am talking about the Christmas trees dies. As I say, they come as part of the Whimsy and Wonder bundle, and they have these beautiful Christmas tree images and images that work with the stamp set. These are baubles and some tinsely stuff, etc. But I wanted to talk to you specifically today about these two cute, weird looking dies here. So these ones are specifically designed so that they will cut you multiple images all at the same time. I love that when Stampin' Up makes something that's just so easy to use. I really love that. So you're going to need to cut a very small piece of this is the new silver speciality foil, but you could use gold, you could use any color you like. You're going to pop that in the middle there, and then you're going to run that through your mini embossing machine. You're going to want to cut a very small piece so that you don't destroy. If you're anything like me, your plates are a bit of a mess, so you don't want to be running them through a big piece, because otherwise you could get scratches all over your big piece. So that's just another little tip, and we'll run that through and it will pop out the other side, and it will have cut out some beautiful little ornaments, little baubles. Okay, you get 8 in that one and you get 5 in the stars. Aren't they cute? So easy. They come straight out. I keep mine in a little tray, and then you would use them. I'm just going to show you how I use them. This is a card I made using the stars, so you can see that the all I've done is just popped it onto the big tree here and added a sentiment and some ribbon, and that just brings out the stars in the background. And then I used the baubles on this one and added the tree, this time in the paper, little snowflake, and then the baubles just on the tree so that they catch the light when you turn it. Aren't they cool? So there you go, a very quick tip video from me today. Nothing too dramatic, nothing too big, nothing too difficult to do, but I just thought it's worth taking you through those smaller pieces that are in the die set, because sometimes they get overlooked and you don't know what to do with them, but sometimes seeing it and understanding how it works is easier for people to just get their head around those extra little details that are in all of the die sets that we have. So this is me, Queen Pip from queenpipcards.com. I'm Pip Tobin in the UK. I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator. If you'd like to hear more, then please just subscribe below. And I will be talking about all things Whimsy and Wonder over the coming days. So I'd love to see you and chat with you some more. Cheers. Take care for now. Bye-bye.